However you're feeling right now, how can you reduce stress and anxiety or just enhance feelings of well-being and concentration and all good things by using your body to honour the natural fight-flight impulse, by using whatever form of movement feels strong enough for you today? It might be a yoga practice, it might be taking yourself for a walk, it might be a more energetic, vigorous bike ride, it might be push-ups, it might be kickboxing, it might be cartwheeling, it might be swimming, it might be anything at all. But how do you feel when you are active compared to when you're not? I know I've kind of had this demonstrated to me just after not going for a walk yesterday, and within a few steps today everything felt so much better. And it always astonishes me that no matter how unfit we feel or how unwell we feel, even if you can't get out of bed, you can tense and release the thighs, inhale, tense, exhale, release. Connecting with the body as much as we can helps to burn off those stress hormones, helps us connect with our body's wisdom, and helps us feel better. So give it a try, let me know how you get on, and I'll share more soon.